Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple lead generation sales funnel example. So the first step and introduction to your brand and product usually starts with your content. It could be a blog, could be a YouTube video, could be a Pinterest infograph, could be a Twitter tweet, whatever it may be. That's the first initiation. So in this case, in this example, a potential prospect reads your blog and they opt in. They opt in to receive your free report, to receive your newsletter, or whatever it may be. Once they're on your email database, perhaps you can invite them to join a webinar, a free webinar, to educate them about a certain topic. And what you can do is have the subscriber enter a follow-up sequence, a sequence of messages that goes out on a pre-scheduled time frame. For instance, you could have a message going out as soon as they opt in to your newsletter. On day 2, they receive another message. Day 3, another one, and so on. Next, your customer could buy a low-priced product of yours, and this will introduce them and qualify them as a paying customer. Once they're qualified as a paying customer, you could offer them a higher ticket product. This could range anywhere from $500 all the way up to $20,000, $30,000. The end of your funnel could be a one-on-one coaching. Getting leads is one side of the equation, but then converting them into paying customers and then converting them then to higher ticket products is another thing. When you're starting out, you probably won't have all these elements in your sales funnel just yet, but start by capturing those leads first. Because once you have the lead in your database, you can always follow up on your leads.